Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. I was just getting ready to take rest for the night. It's late. It's really late here. And I was getting ready to take rest. But I was thinking about something that happened earlier this evening, and it just struck me as funny. I mean, I couldn't stop laughing thinking about it. But, you know, I have kind of a funny sense of humor anyway, but I thought it was funny. We had a nice gathering for chanting. It was a spiritual gathering for chanting Hare Krishna and reading from Krishna book, which is Srimad Bhagavatam, and discussing. It was a very nice evening. There were about 10 or 15 people there, I think. I didn't count exactly, but somewhere around there. And it was actually it was very enlivening. It was a nice evening. And then a meal had been prepared. Boy, was that a good meal. It was really good. It had 3 different kinds of pakoras. If you know what pakora is, it's different types of vegetables can be made into pakoras, and it's in a batter, and it's fried in ghee. It's very tasty, very, very tasty. Spiced batter with the vegetable inside, like a fritter kind of thing. It's really good. And chutney, nice. It's a hot sauce or a spicy sauce that you put on the pakora. And then some salad. And the salad was super fresh, super crisp. I mean, it was a really good salad with nice dressing. It's simple. It was a simple meal, but it was very, very tasty. So we sit down at the table, probably maybe 10 people, about that. And I was late getting to the table, so there was one chair left, and it was next to a very distinguished gentleman, an older gentleman. He's very educated, and he's very meticulous about the way he dresses and everything that he does. His clothes don't even look like, anybody's worn them, and he can be in them all day. They don't even have a wrinkle on him. He's very meticulous, very clean, very frugal, very tidy. He's a nice gentleman. Everything has to be just so. And so my chair was right next to him. So I was very nice. I liked this person very much. Nice devotee. Very, very nice devotee. And so I had my plate, and I took one bite out of the pakora, and something got stuck in my throat. I'm like, he's trying to eat his meal, and I'm, well, anyway, so it was very nice. He had a drink. He pushed it over to me. Did I need something to drink? And I was choking, Did I need something to drink? And he reassured me that he hadn't taken a sip from it or anything, and he gave me his drink. And so I was getting ready to take a little sip of his drink, which I kind of wanted because, this nice person had given me their drink. It was going to taste really good. But before I could do that, the host of the evening came and put a big glass of water there, because he heard me coughing too. Big glass of water, and that was water that had been offered to the spiritual master, Srila Prabhupada. And so that's also a nice item. So now I had this distinguished devotee's drink, and I had Prabhupada's water, and I was kind of hesitating. Well, which one, do I want, And so the gentleman took his drink back. First he put it there, and then he took it back. So I thought that was a little funny, but what the heck. This humor here, there's humor going on. So before I could drink the water, I felt this huge sneeze coming because whatever it was that was stuck in there was also making me want to sneeze. Meanwhile, everybody's trying to eat, right? I mean, that really, kind of lose your appetite when somebody at the table is going through this kind of thing. So he was taking his drink back, and he was looking at me because my facial expression must have been quite unusual because the sneeze was coming. I'm looking at him like, he's looking at me like, you all right? And I'm like, it was pretty funny, actually. And so finally, whatever it was, tickled enough so that I could go, I managed to do it away from the table. Thank you, Krishna. I didn't away from the table. Man, I tell you, just thinking about that, it's like really funny. Yeah, it's really funny. If you can picture it, you're like super meticulous, and you got this clumsy oaf, like just you might as well have had a German Shepherd sitting there, scratching themselves, Oh boy, it was quite an evening. That was just one highlight. There were others. It was a lot of fun, actually. And Krishna has a sense of humor, so I think Krishna arranged that. Yeah, I do. Hare Krishna. Govinda.